Sungai Kooi, or it's pronounced Kooi. It's in the Royal Belum Forest. It's a beautiful waterfall. Beautiful waterfall. But not so much to swim, but because of the free flow water that's falling from a height. Come on, let's explore. Okay, you gotta hike up a bit, but there's beautiful greenery. You get all these smaller waterfalls and the sound of the stream. The water is cold. Very cold. You gotta be careful, I'm holding this camera, I don't want to fall. A lot of stones. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, this is a jerai tree. It's a species ficus. This family Moraceae? I don't know. Anyway, why jerai tree is interesting is because the barking deer, they love the fruit of the jerai tree. So well, here it might not be that convenient, but deep in the forest I've seen tracks of barking deer tracks all around because it was fruiting season. See, I know this, so poachers know that too, unfortunately. Okay. To give you an idea how big the tree is, you need me to stand. Come closer. You need me to stand by this beautiful, magnificent tree. I can hear an echo. Look at this! You know why? You get this beautiful... Let me hug this. Because there's no logging. There's no greedy... Let's say there's no logging. How beautiful trees are. You know how important they are to the ecosystem? How important they are for you and me. How much oxygen it gives out. How much carbon dioxide it absorbs, how much life its fruits, how many other parasitic plants and trees and animals are resting on the branches. And you know, you get a bunch of greedy idiots who want to cut these logs. Do not buy all those fancy logs which are very expensive to decorate your room, your door, your table. It's a living thing. Appreciate it, for God's sake. Just look at the roots, for God. The roots is as big as another tree. Wow, come this side. Look at this side. Look at, oh my God. Look at the magnificent. Oh, ho, ho. Look at this. Look at this. Woo! Hope nobody disturbs you. And if they do, just drop a branch on their heads. Okay, let's continue. These are not logged. These trees naturally they fell, and oh, this is fine. This is part of the whole system. Old trees fall, new trees grow. But when you log, just the logging routes will destroy all the forest. Come on. Can you see the frog? Now, I'm not very good in types of frogs, but I was told that the Royal Belum has got fantastic species of frogs. Really fantastic species of frogs. So, if you're a frog enthusiast, you should be here. Okay, so we are almost there, but we're gonna have to cross this. Now I'm holding the camera, so I gotta be extremely careful I don't drop. It's all rocks. It's all rocks. Whoa! The water is flowing. Okay, we are here. Do you want to see where we are? Look at that. Look at that. It's raining. It was raining, so the water is really so. What do you think? Was it worth the hike? This is accessible. Nothing confidential about this. If you have the guide, he'll take you. Or you have Anda, he'll take you. Okay. Mantap. Okay.